Questions?
I have a quick question about the nested pandas. How stable do you find pandas to be in terms of building an entire like framework on top of?
Yeah, so we use a lot of Dask, which is like extended pandas. There are two problems. We chose that because Rubin nominally uses Dask as its main parallelization platform, and it's very user friendly. And there are software developers that we are developing it as we speak. You can go on GitHub, you say, I have a problem, they fix it, or they tell it we can't fix it. It has a lot of issues. The biggest one being memory. Memory is like, Jesus Christ, it really likes to leak memory. And you are just swallowing so much memory, which is really rough when you're operating on, let's say, this size data, which takes a lot of memory. And we are really pushing it kind of to the edge. And this is always an interplay. You want to have a user-friendly algorithm that uses something that people know, like pandas. You want to use Python, and you want to build scalable software. And basically, these are two problems which are, they don't work together. If you want really, really high performance, you will always be better off doing your custom code. But I think we are solving a lot of problems for the people where we can get you very high, very far along parallelization before you without much effort. So it's rough, but that's why we are kind of solving that you don't have to.
Thank you.
Thanks. A lot of neat stuff in here. I have a question about infrastructure. So some, other major surveys, for instance, Roman is going to be operating on the AWS commercial cloud platform. And I know that you mentioned this is being run on Microsoft, you said, and then I think Google.
So what I will show tomorrow, it's on our cloud, which is Microsoft Azure, but I will try to show it on Fornex, and we do pull from AWS. Yes.
So I was just, I guess my question then is, is there sort of a general cloud or platform agnostic approach that you've taken here that will allow us to generalize well?
Yes. And I think you could definitely put in Roman, and we operate, you can run it on your own machine, you can run it via Slurm, you can run it on a cluster. And that, again, part of it is because Dask kind of solves a lot of problems for us. But yes, it's quite agnostic.
That's wonderful to hear. Thank you.
Any last questions? Great. Let's thank Devin again.